Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix keyboard disappeared on Infinix GT30. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search keyboard from here. For example, this is keyboard. Click on keyboard and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache keyboard. After clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.